Did you know that soil won the Nobel Prize? Well, that might be kind of a stretch, but there are tons of microbes that live in the soil, and from them we've learned how to create many of today's modern medicines. Underground life is full of diversity. There are millions of different types of microbes that live in the soil. The biodiversity in soil plays a significant role in suppressing diseases. Organisms that cause diseases, like anthrax and salmonella, reside in soils. But because of the enormous biodiversity found in healthy soils, their populations are kept low by other soil microbes, and potential complications are minimized. The variety of soil microbe species developed ways to protect themselves from other species, and to compete for precious food resources. They make and excrete chemicals called antimicrobials that slow the growth or even kill their neighbors. When scientists studied this, they found that some of these antimicrobial chemicals could be used as medicines for humans. You may recognize the name penicillin. This is one of the more common antibiotics today, but it's only been around since the 1950s. And its cousin, streptomycin, is the drug that won Dr. Selman Waksman and his students the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1952. Soil keeps us healthy in other ways too. The nutrients that you get from your food come from soil. Food that's grown in fertile soil, full of good elements and minerals, packs more nutrition than food grown in weaker soil. In addition, there are bacteria in the soil that take nitrogen from our air, process it, and make it available to plants for food. This is called nitrogen fixation. Almost every plant and animal depends on nitrogen in some way, but need these important soil microbes to process it into a usable form. Worldwide, we're growing more food on less land than we were decades ago. That means we expect more of the soil we have left for producing food. So our food growers have to make sure that the soil has the right amount of nitrogen, phosphorus, and other nutrients, so our foods are healthy. Healthy foods means healthier humans. Soil microbes are even able to clean soil that's polluted. Gasoline is made up of carbon, which soil microbes eat up. Scientists are using soil microbes to clean up abandoned gas stations and other industrial sites. The soil microbes work together with plants to clean the soil. Soil also acts as a bioreactor, cleaning contaminated water. Healthy soils mean healthy humans. We rely on soils for our health because soils sustain life.